When I'm fishing with Tom here today, we've been dealing with a lot of wind. The winds are up quite a bit. And so in an effort to try to ease his boat control burden, he's trying to stay vertical in the front of the boat a lot of the times. And when you're worried about how the guy in the back of the boat is also positioned, it really, especially with a lot of wind, affecting boat control, it can make it pretty difficult. So one thing I've been doing is kind of just working a 1-2 punch. I'll let him come through and do his vertical deal, or however he wants to work his jigs. And I'll just kind of sit here with a jig and a plastic, and there's so many different plastics you can use, but this is an old standard, just a ringworm and a plain jig head. Just lobbing that around, pitching it to the shorelines, working the edges of these deep holes that we're coming through. And it's a great 1-2 punch, and it, again, especially in windy conditions like this when boat control is an issue, having the guy in the back of the boat come through with a 1-2 punch, maybe pitching versus vertical fishing, can really complement how the boat fishes that day and actually add to the productivity for the day as a whole.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.